Since the beginning of time, we have wondered how the universe came to be. A gloriously orchestrated plan? Or something much, much dumber?
రేపు బాబు, రేపైనా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. దాని అమ్మ జీతం కథ దానంటే దాని కథ వచ్చేస్తుంది. Mr. James wakes up next morning expecting everything will be fine. What happened was very much unexpected. Mr. James starts walking, getting down off his bed. He walks around the apartment and ends up standing in front of the wall. He walks as if he wants to enter into the wall. It's obvious that he can't enter. But then he starts hitting the wall with his head hardly and falls down. అసలు ఏమవుతుందో బాబు, ఈ మధ్య ఏమవుతుంది నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. సర్లే, ఇవన్నీ పట్టించిన కథ కాదు కదా. ఫస్ట్ స్నానం చేద్దాం, అది ఏం చేయాలో ఆలోచిద్దాం. హలో హరిగా, ఏంట్రా విశేషాలు? అబ్బేయో లౌడేగా రాసేవాడు తెలుస్తురా ఎంత కష్టమో. అబ్బేయో అది నా ఇష్టం రా. ఏదో కొంచెం రాశానులే. ఏమో ఇంకేం అనుకోలే. అవునరా, ఒక్క ముక్క కూడా రాయలే. ఏం పీక్తావు? మరి ఏం చేయమంటారా? ఒక్క ముక్క కూడా వస్తుందిలేరా నాకు మైండ్లోకి. సరే, ఏదో రాస్తానులే, నా టైం వేస్ట్ చేయకు. బాయ్. Mr. James gets depressed every time when he returns late from work. His parents were dead and he didn't even have a person to look after him. He sleeps with a very depressed mood than usual. In the middle of the night, he just wakes up hearing some weird sounds in the house. Was pretty sure that he was a bachelor. He got out of his bed in search for the source of the weird sound. When he entered the kitchen, he just slipped and fell down, traveling over half in the millisecond of time, as there was flow of water because the switched on tap of the aqua purifier he had set up. He didn't even have a clue who switched on the tap of the aqua purifier. టైం 10 అయింది. నాకు కథ రాయాలి కదా. సర్లే రేపు రాసుకుందాంలే. అరే! నిన్న ఒక కలొచ్చింది గదా! అదే ఒక ఎండింగ్‌గా పెడితే అయిపోతది గదా! కాపీరైట్ ఇష్యూస్ గూడా ఉండవు. Mr. James had no clue what was happening in his house. Keeping this all apart, Mr. James thought of watching TV. Suddenly, out of nowhere, he heard a weird sound from his kitchen. When he went in search of the sound, he saw the psycho killer who broke into Mr. James' apartment through his back door. He appears to be hiding in the upper closet of his kitchen because of the rotten human body smell and the blood. The psycho was completely face-shelled with blood. Along with him, he had a knife. Out of nowhere, the psycho started screaming out loud and stabbed Mr. James to death. After he is dead, the psycho killer started dragging his body to the bedroom and started writing, "Death is the only way" in Spanish on the wall of Mr. James' bedroom.
నా వాట 10 లక్షలు ఎలా ఖర్చు పెడతాను కదా అదు ఈ వాట 10 లక్షల ఈ బ్యాగ్ లో ఎంత డబ్బు ఉందో నీకెలా తెలుసు అయితే చెప్తాను